Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to solve subtraction story sums for class 4 students. First we are going to solve from exercise 2.6. 3. Solve the following story sums. A. Sarth had a collection of 8,542 stamps. His brother Viraj had 2,346 less stamps than him. How many stamps does Viraj have? And in this problem, these two are the given datas. Our question is, how many stamps does Viraj have? And here, less is the keyword for subtraction operation. So we have to do the subtraction operation to find the answer. So in solution part, our first statement is number of stamps with Sarth equal to 8,542. Number of stamps less than Sarth equal to 2,346. Therefore, number of stamps with Viraj is equal to 8,542 minus 2,346. After writing the two numbers vertically, we have to start the subtraction operation from ones place. After doing subtraction operation, we get this answer 6,196. Thus, Viraj have 6,196 stamps less than Sarth. B. A mobile shop has 6,348 mobiles and 8,927 tablets. How many more tablets than mobiles are available in the shop? So the given two data are these two. Our question is, how many more tablets than mobiles are available in the shop? And here the keywords are more than. This is the keyword for subtraction operation. So in our solution part, the first statement is number of tablets is equal to 8,927 and number of mobiles is equal to 6,348. Therefore, number of tablets than mobiles is equal to 8,927 minus 6,348. So we have to write these two numbers vertically, then start the subtraction operation from ones place. So after subtracting, we get 2,579. So our answer is thus 2,579 more tablets than mobiles are available. Exercise 2.12, solve the following story sums. A library has 65,999 books of science and 21,638 books of math. How many more books of science than math are there in the library? These two are the given datas. And our question is, how many more books of science than math are there in the library? And the keyword given here is more than. So it's a subtraction operation. So number of science books is equal to 65,999. Number of math books is equal to 21,638. Therefore, number of science books than math books, that is equal to 65,999 minus 21,638, or number of science books more than math books. So first we have to write the two numbers vertically, then we have to start the subtraction from ones place. So after subtraction we get 44,361. So our answer is thus 44,361 more books of science than maths. And problem B, what must be added to 4,67,543 to get 7,73,245? So we have to subtract the smaller number from greater number. Okay. So first we have to write both the numbers vertically. Then we have to start subtraction from ones place. So after subtracting this from this, we get 3,05,702. So this must be added to this to get this number. C. Subtract 26,894 from the sum of 45,623 and 41,235. So first we have to add these two. Then we subtract this number from its sum value. Okay. So first we have to add these two numbers vertically. Then we have to start addition from ones place. So after adding these two numbers, we get 86,858. Now we subtract 26,894 from this number to get the answer. So after subtraction operation, we get 59,964. This is our answer. Problem D. Hari and his team need 9,34,975 bricks to build a monument. If the brick supplier supplies only 5,12,842 bricks, how many more bricks are required? So these two are the given data. Our question is how many more bricks are required. So here more is the keyword for our subtraction operation. So to find the answer, we have to do the subtraction operation. So our first statement is total number of bricks needed is equal to 9,34,975. Number of bricks supplied is equal to 5,12,842. Therefore, number of more bricks required is equal to 9,34,975 minus 5,12,842. So first you write these two numbers vertically, then start the subtraction operation from ones place. So after subtraction we get 4,22,133. Thus 4,22,133 more bricks are required. And problem E, the government sanctioned rupees 5,67,890 for different welfare schemes. Out of this amount, rupees 2,33,456 was used for the welfare of women and the remaining was used for welfare schemes for children. Find the amount of money used for the welfare schemes for children. So these two are the given data. We have to find out the amount used for welfare schemes for children. Here the keyword is remaining. So we have to do the subtraction operation. So we have to subtract this number from this number. And children, you have to remember one thing. You have to subtract smaller number from bigger number only. Okay. You can't subtract bigger number from smaller number. So in our statement part, the first statement is total amount is equal to rupees 5,67,890. Amount used for women welfare equal to rupees 2,33,456. Therefore, amount used for children's scheme equal to this minus this. So after writing the data vertically, we have to do the subtraction operation. So after doing subtraction, we get this amount. Thus, rupees 3,34,434 used for children welfare scheme. F. Find a number that is 98,671 less than 3,45,678. So this keyword less than indicate it's a subtraction operation. So we have to subtract this smaller number from this greater number. First we have to write the given two numbers vertically, then start the subtraction operation from ones place. So after the subtraction operation we get 2,47,007. And problem G, find the difference between the smallest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number. Here difference is the keyword for subtraction. So we have to subtract this from this. And children, we know smallest 6-digit number means we have to write 1 with 5 zeros. That means 1 lakh. Largest 5-digit number means we have to write 9 5 times. That means 99,999. Therefore, difference is this minus this. So first we write these two numbers vertically, then start subtraction from ones place. After subtraction we get this number. That means our answer is 1. Zeros before any digit has no value. So our answer is 1. Now we are going to solve story sums from revision exercise. Problem B. In a drawing competition, 28,763 students participated. Find the number of girls who participated in the competition if 16,323 were boys. So these two are given data. We have to find number of girls who participated in the competition. So they have given total number of students and number of boys. We have to find out number of girls. So we have to subtract this from this number to get the answer. So the first statement is total number of students is equal to 28,763 and number of boys is equal to 16,323. Therefore number of girls is equal to this minus this. So first we have to write the given two datas vertically, then start subtraction from ones place. After subtraction we get 12,440. Thus number of girls are 12,440. And problem D, Mrunal needs at least 4,42,648 points to go to level 2 in a video game. She has 1,63,968 points in level 1. How many more points does she need to qualify for level 2? These two are given data. This is our question. That means we have to find out the answer for this question. And here the keyword is more points. So we have to do the subtraction operation. We have to subtract this from this. So the first statement is total number of points needs is equal to 4,42,648. Mrunal's points is equal to 1,63,968. So number of more points need to qualify is equal to this minus this. So first we have to write the datas vertically, then start subtraction from ones place. So after subtraction we get 2,78,680. Thus she needs 2,78,680 more points to qualify. And problem E, Mr. Joseph spent rupees 26,086 on the annual maintenance of his car. He had only rupees 15,990 in cash. He paid the remaining amount by check. How much money did Mr. Joseph pay by check? These two are the given datas and this is our question. That means we have to find out the amount paid by check. And here remaining is the keyword. So it indicates the subtraction operation. So we have to subtract this from this. This is the smaller number. This is the bigger number. So our first statement is total amount spent is equal to rupees 26,086. Amount in cash is equal to rupees 15,990. So amount by check is equal to this minus this amount. So first we write these two numbers vertically, then start subtraction from ones place. So after subtraction we get 10,096 rupees. Thus Joseph paid rupees 10,096 rupees by check. F, a famous publication house published 6,50,525 copies of a book in January and 1,40,399 copies of the same books in June. At the end of the year, 1,24,567 copies of the books remain unsold. Find the number of books that were sold during the year. So, these two are number of books in January and June. So, to find the total number of books, we have to add these two. And this is number of books unsold. So, to find the number of books sold, we have to subtract this from its addition answer. Okay. So number of books published in January is equal to 6,50,525. Number of books published in June is equal to 1,40,399. Therefore, total number of books is equal to this plus this. So first we have to write these two numbers, then start addition from ones place. So after adding these two numbers, we get 7,90,924. So total number of books is equal to 7,90,924. Number of books unsold is equal to 1,24,567. Therefore, number of books sold is equal to this minus this. So first we have to write these two numbers vertically, then start subtraction from ones place. So after subtraction we get 6,66,357. So 6,66,357 books were sold during the year. So my dear students, today we have completed subtraction story sums for class 4 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.